2 weeks old, and they are big and fat. You can see the color starting to pop. It's a little cool out here. We ain't got the heat lamps on yet, so they're wadding up. We'll get the heat lamps going and the heater going. It'll be 65 degrees in here in a little while. They'll be nice. 2 weeks old. There is 7 females still available in this litter. What's that little girl? Look at there. So I'm cold. Get the heaters on. All right, we'll get the heaters on. They coming. Oh, these babies. They said we need some hot. We need some hotters. We have disturbed y'all's sleeping, changing your blanket.